Hi YouTubers, today we've got a Toshiba premain amplifier. There's a light gone on one of the peak level meters, which are very nice because I've not seen those very often on an amplifier. You got the phone socket that looks out of alignment. You know, I tried to do something about it, but it's still like that. But that still fits in there, so that's still good. Nice little controls. The mic mixing. So obviously you could use this like a kind of karaoke thing. There's that big chunky volume control, which is not continuous, it's stepped. I've just took the back off, which was really easy. The size is still on, and you can see all that dust. That needs to be cleaned, yeah. And I'm going to use a brush and some window cleaner. I know this works because I've done it before on my receiver, which was humming, and cleaned it inside and the hum just went away. There, it's much cleaner now. There you go. And one of these lights is out. And the bulbs are encased in these little plastic things. And it necessitates having to take off the front plate. So you have to take all these out and unscrew from the bottom. But it seems a really nice amplifier to get to. You know, no having to get these side things off as well as the top. And there's phono and tuner and tape in and out, but no auxiliary, which is unusual. So I don't know what you'd do if you wanted with a CD, because obviously it's pre-CD. And there's the speaker terminals. Anyway, I tested the amp through the headphone socket and the speaker terminals, and no sound at all, not even a hum. So, although I'm not an expert on this stuff, it could be speaker fuses, because I've had that happen before, or something a lot more serious. Could be bad caps, I just don't know. Something to do with the output. But feel free to leave any comments if you've got any ideas. And that's just about all, really. See you another time.